Pokémon Trading Card Game gets mobile upgrade. Nintendo is rolling out the legendary trading card experience on mobile with the Pokémon Trading Card Game Pocket. This new game gives a variety of fresh experiences that underline collecting and casual card battling. Pokémon Trading Card Game Pocket belongs exclusively to the mobile format, seeking to bring back nostalgia through physical card collecting. A player can receive 2 free packs with exclusive cards every day, and all other virtual decks are purchasable with real money. Now, how does it differ from Pokémon TCG Live? Well, unlike Pokémon TCG Live, which provides competitive battles and gameplay, TCG Pocket is oriented towards casual card battles and collecting. It's an excellent way to feel nostalgic when collecting and trading cards with friends. Pokemon TCG Pocket is available for pre-register on the Play Store, with a launch date set for October 30th in 89 countries. New Zealand would be the very first country where it would be launched with a soft launch, although the exact date remains unspecified. This update should give a vastly different experience to all players, leveling up the thrills of collecting cards with casual card battling. With daily free packs and the option to buy virtual decks, Pokemon TCG Pocket is becoming a must-have for Pokemon fans everywhere.